I'd like to introduce my guitarist. His name is Curtis Davies, and he's a very good friend of mine. And so this next song we're going to sing is called Beautiful Mess. And I originally composed this song for my university assessment, and it's filled with oxymorons or oxymorons, if you may. So you know, spot them if you can. This is our Beautiful Mess. I was sitting all alone on a Sunday, clearly confused by the weather. It appeared to me the sun, oh, it was shining, but the rain was falling down. The rain was falling down, down, down. The rain was falling down. Almost empty was my teacup as I sit here and sip on it quietly. A rainbow overhead is now forming. Cheerfully pessimistic was I, to be witness to a beautiful mess. Witness to a beautiful mess. Witness to a beautiful mess. I hate to love you, I'm finding it hard to turn a blind eye on you. No random order, can't even the odds. Found missing in an old London town. Yeah, found missing in an old London town. Found missing in an old London town. Almost a small crowd had gathered, and they appeared to be awfully nice. The bright lights of the city still uncertain as I signed my name upon the dotted line. Yeah, I signed my name upon the dotted line. I signed my name upon the dotted line. Thank you.